to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Bison leather car seats are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for
Every luxury car seat begins its journey here with raw Bison leather, known for its unmatched strength and bold, natural character. Bison leather is significantly thicker and heavier than ordinary hides, requiring specialized handling from the very first step. Each bison leather hide is visually inspected to identify grain quality, scars, and structural integrity. What makes bison leather unique is what others might reject. Its raw, authentic grain tells a story of durability. Precise thickness measurements ensure the bison leather will meet automotive safety and comfort standards. Moisture levels inside the bison leather must be perfectly balanced before further processing begins. Before transformation, bison leather is thoroughly cleaned to protect its natural fibers. Preservation salts are carefully washed away, preparing the bison leather for chemical treatment. Only premium-grade bison leather is selected for luxury car seat production. With preparation complete, the bison leather is now ready for its transformation. This is where raw bison leather begins its chemical transformation into durable automotive-grade material. Each bison leather hide is loaded with precision to ensure even processing from edge to edge. The chemical balance used on bison leather is carefully calculated to preserve strength while increasing flexibility. Time, motion, and chemistry work together to permanently alter the structure of bison leather.
Advanced systems ensure every batch of bison leather is processed under identical conditions.
Even the smallest imbalance can change how bison leather feels and performs.
Bison leather is checked throughout processing to ensure uniform penetration of tanning agents.
At the right moment, excess chemicals are removed, locking in durability. Rinsing stabilizes the bison leather, and prepares it for refinement. Now chemically bonded and stabilized, the bison leather moves into its most critical phase. After chemical stabilization, bison leather must be slowly dried under controlled airflow to protect its internal fiber structure. As moisture leaves the bison leather, its fibers tighten and lock into place. Stretching ensures the bison leather maintains flexibility without losing strength. The dense fiber network inside bison leather is what gives it superior durability. Specialized machines soften the bison leather while preserving its rugged grain.
Even after automation, bison leather is tested by hand to confirm its comfort and resilience.
Unlike synthetic materials, bison leather retains its authentic surface character. Color conditioning ensures the bison leather matches strict automotive interior standards. At this stage, the bison leather has evolved from raw hide into premium automotive material. With transformation complete, the bison leather is ready to become luxury car seating. Every bison leather car seat begins with precision cutting, where accuracy is measured in millimeters.
Proper alignment ensures the bison leather stretches and wears evenly over time.
Stitching bison leather requires specialized machines built for strength. Each stitch in bison leather must withstand years of pressure and movement. Comfort is engineered beneath the surface of every bison leather seat.
Robots support human craftsmanship when working with heavy bison leather.
This is where flat bison leather takes the shape of a luxury car seat.
Luxury lives in the details, especially in bison leather stitching.
The bison leather seats are now structurally complete.
This is craftsmanship scaled to modern automotive production.
Before leaving the factory, every bison leather car seat undergoes a detailed visual inspection.
Stitching on bison leather must withstand constant movement and pressure.
The feel of bison leather defines the luxury experience inside the vehicle.
Flex testing ensures bison leather maintains comfort over time. Bison leather is tested to resist daily wear without losing character.
Only approved bison leather seats move forward.
Protection ensures bison leather arrives in perfect condition.
Each crate carries premium bison leather interiors to manufacturers worldwide. These bison leather seats are now ready for global distribution. This is how bison leather car seats are made. From raw hide to refined automotive luxury.
And that's how bison leather car seats are made, from start to finish.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.